review list. Huh?
Beat that. Oh my god. Just
There is it called that joke?
Yo, honestly, like my fault. That was an accident. That was an accident for I didn't even. Oh my.
Rags in the fucking pipe that the antenna sits in, and I guess one of the rags fell because it's connected to a different tower now.
If I get the big 3 on my I need a new cable. You say this all the time. Oh my god. Over a team, bro. Okay. Oh, that was weak. My fault. But how old are you? Y'all leaked his.
There's a lot of misinformation on porn.
The porn industry is very exploitative.
Oh my. Not Nick GG, bro.
I'm sorry. Thanks. That sounds in a sec.
Okay.
It doesn't say. Yo, my fault. My shit doesn't say it's lag.
I got the girl ready too, to be honest.
Me too, of course. Bukisha.
What would you do for $1 million?
$1 million?
I'd. Because you tripped.
Thing these niggas are saying. False accusations, by the way. No time.